Hello everyone. Without wasting much of our time, we are still treating all manner of questions from bearing and distances. Please pay attention. Two ships leave port at the same time and travel at 5 km per hour on a bearing of 0.46 degrees. The other one travels at 9 km per hour on a bearing of 127 degrees. How far apart are the ships after 2 hours? Okay, now let's solve it. Remember they say the two ships leave port at the same time. So all of them leave this port at the same time. One of them leave the port with this angle 46 degrees. From here, it will be in this first quadrant. Here, 0.46 degrees. The other one, we start measuring from north to other places clockwise. Then the second ship moves with this angle. That is the direction. The second ship now moves with 127. And 127 will fall in this second quadrant, maybe somewhere. As this one is 90, then we'll add up to 37 to it, maybe some to make it 127. So now be somewhere here by our sketch. Okay. Now this is how they move. This one moves in direction of 0.46 degrees. The second one moves in direction of 127 degrees. And the speed of the first ship is 5 km per hour, and the speed of second ship is 9 km per hour, which means the second ship is moving faster than the first ship. That means it will cover more distance than the first ship because two of them move this distance in 2 hours. So this one will cover more distance. That is why it's longer. Okay. This one stop at here after 2 hours. This one stop at here after 2 hours. Now the question is asking us the distance between two of them. The distance between two of them, that is the first one and the second one. The distance which is here, let us name it A. Okay. Now, before we can calculate the distance, we need the distance of here and here. They enable us use cosine rule to calculate for this distance. Now, how do we get the distance of this place and here? Remember, they have given us their speed and the time it has taken them to reach to that particular places. Okay. Now, let us find the distance from the first ship. The distance of the first ship from the starting point to where it is now, remember the formula of velocity. Velocity is equals to distance all over time. Okay, velocity v is equals to distance all over time. All right. Now, but they have given us velocity and time. Okay, for the first ship, the velocity is this one, 5 km per hour, and the time is 2 hours. So we can now find the distance. So the distance now is equals to, the first one is 5 times the time it has taken them, which is 2. So the distance of the first one now is 10 km. Then the distance of the second one is still the same thing. The velocity is 9 times the same 2 hours. It will now be 18 km per hour. So the distance from the starting point of the first ship now to where it has stopped is 10 km. Then the distance of the second one is 18 km. Now let us use this information now to find the distance apart of them. Now before we can find the distance apart of them, we're supposed to find the angle between here to here. They enable us to use the angle to find here. Remember our cosine rule. If you don't know it, go to my channel and see how I treated the cosine rule. Okay. Now what will be the angle inside here? Remember that from here to here is 46, and from the same place to here is 127. So in order to find inside, we now say 127 minus 46 will now give us angle inside here. So 127 minus 46, what will be the answer now? The answer will be 81 degree. You can use your calculator to check it, just this minus this. The answer is 81 degrees. Remember our cosine rule, okay, for us to find here, which says that a square is equals to addition of these two sides, 10 square plus 18 square minus 2 times the same 10 times 18 times cos of the angle that is facing the side we are looking for, which is 81. Now, which is equals to 10 square is 100 plus 18 square is what? 18 square is 324 minus 2 times 10, 20 times 18, 360 times cos 81. Cos 81 is what on our calculator? Cos 81 is 0.156 approximately. Now let us move. This plus this now will be what? It will be 424 minus this times this. What will it give us? It will give us 56.32. And when we subtract this 56.32 from 424, 424 minus 56.32 is what? Is 367.68. Okay. Now, in order to find A, remember that this A is squared here. In order to find A here, we now say find the square root of both sides. And the square root of both sides now, we now have only A now. Because square root of A will now take away these two and cancel the sign of square root. Then we now find the square root of this side, which is 367.68. And when we find the square root now, it will now give us what? It will now give us 19.2 kilometer. This is how to solve it. Very easy, all right? If you enjoyed the teaching, okay, please make sure you subscribe, comment on that, like it, and share it. Thank you so much, and God bless.